Start with the mountain pose. This pose is also known as the Tadasana Namaskar. Stand up straight and tall with your feet planted firmly on the floor, hip distance apart. Balance your weight evenly on both feet. Let your hands hang at your sides with the palms facing forward and the fingers open, in a receiving position. Raise your arms in an upward salute, Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale deeply and look upward. Slowly raise your arms above your head with the palms together and your fingers pointing straight upward. Push your hips forward a little so that you enter a slight back bend. Move into a standing forward bend, Uttanasana. Exhale and bend forward at the hips, keeping your back and legs straight. If you can, bring your chest against your thighs and aim the crown of your head at the floor. Place your hands flat on the floor, or rest them on a block if you cannot reach the floor. Enter a half standing forward bend, Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale and slowly slide your hands up along your shins. Raise your head so that you are looking slightly forward and unbend slightly at the hips so that your chest is no longer resting against your thighs. Keep your back flat and straight. Create a triangle between your feet, head, and hips. Exhale and return to the forward fold. From the half standing forward bend, slowly return to your previous position. Slide your hands back down your shins so that you are grasping your ankles. Make sure to keep your back straight as you bend forward and rest your chest against your thighs. Get into a plank pose. Inhale and place your hands flat on the floor. Carefully step back with both feet, one foot at a time, extending your legs straight out behind you with your toes curled under you. Keep your arms straight and your shoulders directly above your wrists, and keep your back straight and flat. Lower yourself into a low push-up. This is also known as the four-limbed staff pose or Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale and bend your arms at the elbows so that your torso is parallel to the floor. Push back through your legs into your heels, keeping your legs straight out behind you. Inhale and enter an upward dog pose, Urdhva Hastasana. Push your toes out behind you so that the tops of your feet are resting flat on the floor. Keeping your arms straight and your hands resting flat on the floor, raise your head and push your chest forward and your shoulders back so that you enter a back bend. Get into a downward dog pose, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale and roll your feet back onto your toes, keeping your legs straight out behind you. Let your head hang down and move your hips up and back, pushing through your shoulder blades. Keep your hands flat on the floor and your arms straight. Move back into the standing forward bend. From the downward dog position, inhale and step forward with one foot, then the other. Move your feet so that they are in line with your hands and closer to the front of the mat. Keep your legs and back straight, and bend at the hips. Inhale and move back into the upward salute. Slowly straighten up until you are standing upright, then raise your arms above your head, turning your gaze upward. Keep your hands facing each other or touching, palm to palm. Push your hips forward and your shoulders back so that you enter a slight back bend. Exhale and return to the mountain pose. Slowly lower your arms and straighten your back. Let your hands hang at your sides in the forward-facing receptive position, or hold them in front of your chest in the prayer position. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed between both your feet.